Hey guys, welcome to PCTX Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video, hey guys, welcome to PCTips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video, we're gonna see how to create a multilingual WordPress site. So that is translating a site into multiple languages. So why do we need a multilingual WordPress site? So it is when you want to give your visitors an option to view your site in their preferred languages. So at the end of the video, you can be able to add a button by clicking which your visitors would be able to choose the language which they want to read your site in, which they want to experience your site in. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So this is our WordPress website, WordPress dashboard. So in this WordPress dashboard, in order to create your multilingual website, we need to follow two steps. Our first step is installing the plugin. So in the left side column, go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. So this would land you up on this page and search for plugin called as gTranslate. And this plugin will enable you to get different languages on your website. So now you can find this gTranslate. Click on install now. So it would install in couple of seconds. As it is being installed, click on activate. Now the plugin will be activated. So we are done with our first step, and the second step is adding the translate option to the website. In order to add this translate option, go to the settings, and in that settings go to gTranslate, click on it, and now you can choose the which language you want to give your users or your visitors to translate your website into. So I would choose some of the languages, some more languages which are quite popular. You can use, and I'm done. Now we can save changes, and we need to choose option where to display this translate option. To choose this, we just go to this show in menu and click on it. You can see primary menu is available. Primary menu is something that is appeared on the first foremost column. So we'll see, I'll just show you where it appears. So click on save changes. Now we'll go to our website and see. So here you can see this is the primary menu. So here you can see this translate option. So this is how you can make your website multilingual. And if you want to add this translate option in the footer, all you need to do is go back to this WordPress dashboard, and you can go to this appearances in the left side column here, and in the appearances go to widgets, and here you can see just drop down this footer widget, and here you can see this gTranslate. You can just drag this G translate and keep it over here and click on done. So this G translate will be added where a person from France is viewing your website, and his browser's default language will be French. So when he opens your website, the language will be in English, and he needs to again go to the translate options and click on his French language. And this is all the process. To make it handy for your visitors, you can change this language to the default language that the browser's default language of your visitor. So how can you do this? You can go back to the settings. In the settings, G translate. Here you can uh, check this box, that is auto switch to browser's language. So after checking this and save changes, now the website language will be same as the browser's default language. So in this way you can display in the native language, the browser's language, to your website automatically. And now if you want to display the names of the languages in their native formats, like French is displayed in French language only. So to do that, we just need to check this show native language names box in, so that see, you can see over here, so those languages are displayed in their native formats only. So here you can see the widget preview, that is the languages are shown in their native formats. And we can display the flag. It is already by default displayed, the flags have been displayed, but if uh, if sometimes by default it may not be set it to this. So if you want to display the flags, you need to choose in the widget look, you need to choose this nice drop down with flags. So this is all we need to do in order to set up a multilingual website, your WordPress website. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you all found this video useful to you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.